How can supply chain risk assessment manage compliance burden? Imagine trying to keep a complex machine running smoothly without knowing all its moving parts. That's what managing compliance in a supply chain can feel like. Now, picture having a clear map that shows where risks might pop up. That's what supply chain risk assessment provides. It helps organizations spot potential problems early so they can avoid costly penalties or delays. The process involves looking at everything from suppliers to transportation routes and checking if they meet legal and industry standards. For example, companies examine whether suppliers follow safety rules or environmental laws. They also assess if suppliers are financially stable enough to stay in business. This way, they can prevent disruptions caused by non-compliant vendors. By analyzing risks based on how likely they are to happen and how much damage they could cause, companies can focus on the biggest threats first. This helps in prioritizing efforts and resources. For instance, if a supplier is located in a region prone to natural disasters, the company can plan alternative routes or backup suppliers. Integrating risk assessment into daily operations makes compliance easier. Teams from procurement, logistics, and risk management work together to keep an eye on compliance at every step. They use tools like supplier scorecards and checklists to monitor adherence to import and export laws, safety standards, and environmental regulations. Automated software can flag high-risk issues instantly, saving time and reducing manual checks. Regular audits and flexible risk assessments are key. As regulations change or new risks emerge, companies can update their strategies quickly. This proactive approach means fewer surprises and less compliance stress. When a company can respond fast to regulatory shifts, it reduces the chance of penalties or operational hiccups. Overall, supply chain risk assessment acts as a shield. It helps organizations stay compliant without overloading their teams with paperwork or last-minute fixes. Instead, it creates a steady, manageable process that supports sustainability and prepares the supply chain for future changes. This way, companies can keep their operations smooth, meet legal standards, and build trust with customers and regulators alike.